Hover at a fixed point first. Then test steering and maneuvering in all directions. Start climbing after confirming that there is no abnormality. Climb to a height of more than 10 meters. Switch to fixed wing mode. At this point, the two light rotation motors will change direction to put the aircraft into a state of high-speed level flight. Then pull up and climb. After reaching a safe altitude, it can fly happily and freely. We are located in the hinterland of the North China Plain. Look around, the boundless plain. After completing a lap of flight, start descending and ready to land. Press the return switch. It will automatically turn and return to its takeoff position. When the plane flies overhead, switch to landing mode. Perform a vertical landing.